Hey there, welcome to the video where we dive into a common laptop problem that many users might face. So imagine you're trying to boot up your trusty HP Pavilion X360 convertible laptop PC14 DH0101TU, and all you're met with is a black screen. The fans are whirring, the display is on, but blank, a classic case of a laptop problem, right? You've tried all the usual fixes like restarting, accessing the BIOS menu, but alas, no luck. It's frustrating, we get it. To add to the mix, when you attempted to download the BIOS files from the HP website, you were greeted with a message that only offered drivers for Windows 10, leaving you in a Windows 11 dilemma. What a pickle. Now, let's jump into the solution to this hiccup. Remember, the BIOS system firmware isn't OS specific to begin with. So, fret not about the Windows 11 versus Windows 10 confusion. When downloading a firmware image, the OS selection mainly affects the updating tools provided. In reality, the BIOS update app you receive will likely be the same whether you choose Windows 11, 10, or even 8. And if your plan involves using the firmware image for recovery via a USB stick, the regular flashing tools become a non-issue. Plus, drivers designed for Windows 10 are compatible with Windows 11 too. Think of Windows 11 as a close sibling to Windows 10, making your trusted Windows 10 drivers a great fit for Windows 11 as well. In summary, when facing a laptop problem like a black screen or BIOS issues, remember that the solution often lies in the simplicity of understanding that firmware updates are OS agnostic. So, the next time your HP Pavilion X360 throws a tantrum, just grab those Windows 10 drivers and flash that BIOS confidently. With that, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Catch you in the next one.